Yeah, welcome back to Two Wheels Paradise, and this is the correct age for you to start riding motorcycles. Right, I have been asked this question a lot of times by many people, that what is the correct age for a person to get into motorcycle riding? What is the correct age for you to start riding motorcycles? My answer is very simple. Any age is good age. As long as your feet can touch the ground and your hands can reach the crash, that is the correct age. This is what I mean. We have people who start riding motorcycles from age 10. We have people who start riding motorcycles after retirement. Someone has been a civil servant, they have been a teacher, a defense forces soldier, they have been a doctor, they have just been something, and they have reached the age that is legally allowed to just go home and rest. Just go home, relax, eat your pension, just have fun with your grandchildren, and just wait for the day of the trumpet. Now, some people find it very hard to stay at home doing nothing, and then they just take some of the pension money they have, purchase a motorcycle, and start traveling. We have seen people who even join YouTube at 60 years. After retirement, someone realizes, I need something fun. I have been a soldier for all those years. I have not had any time to have fun. I have raised my children. They are adults now. They are married. They are not even at home. I am there with my old wife, with my old husband. Maybe I've even been widowed. Maybe my wife left. Maybe she's died. Something happened that makes you find yourself alone. That's what I'm trying to say. Something that makes you find yourself alone. Maybe you are even with family. They are there, a lot of them, 7 children, your wife, your husband is there. Like, people are there, but you getting bored. You're finding yourself idle. Life is not giving you anything fun to do. People buy motorcycles. So the question of what age you can start riding a motorcycle should not even be there. As long as a child is safe on a motorcycle, they can start riding children motorcycles. We have 2-stroke bikes, very small bikes, 50cc. Yeah, you have 50cc 2-strokes. You have 50cc scooters. You can start your child on a small cc children-based motorcycle. Train them. Have an instructor who will take them through the training. Have them the safety gear, everything. When they become adults, they will not join motorcycles afresh. They will come with a very, very rich history of starting a motorcycle when young. A lot of people you find traveling all over the world, if you ask them where they started, some of them started at age 9, age 10, age 8. Some people as young as 6 years are riding 2-strokes around the compound, some off-road, they are going somewhere. They started riding motorcycles when very young. Others, just as I said earlier on, retired from some civil service, retired from something, they have a good business running, they have people who are managing their business. There is a whole reason why they want to rest away from business. You can start riding at 70 years, as long as you are not suffering from dementia, you do not have medical conditions that can become a disaster to you, like you're diabetic and your diabetes can cause attacks. Maybe you don't have issues of asthma, yeah, something that can cause an attack. When you're riding a motorcycle, maybe you get exhausted, your body responds with some medical disaster. As long as you don't have those issues, you can start riding motorcycle at any point. So let's close this discussion at this point. Any age that you have is good age, as long as you are medically and physically fit to sit on a motorcycle and ride it. You get that? You have no excuse why you are not riding motorcycles. Get yourself a bike. See you on the road. You have a lot of places you have not traveled to. They are waiting for you. See you around.